Right now, AI is changing everything. If you're not using it, you're already behind. Let me show you how to stay ahead.
I'm going to be showing you guys two amazing AI platforms where you can get free access to Grok AI. Now, to be honest with you guys, some of these platforms gives you limited access, but as a new content creator that you have not started making money with your content, you need to actually utilize on these platforms to actually start your content journey. Take a look at some of the videos I created using these free AI tools. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on future contents just like this. I also have a free AI community, so feel free to join. I'll leave the link in the video description down below. Alright guys, so the first AI tool we are going to be talking about is called Slop.club. You can see it right here. Now the platforms I'm going to be sharing in this video also works on mobile devices. So just in case you don't have a laptop, don't worry, you can actually make use of your mobile phone. So once it takes you here, just go ahead, click on it, and it's going to load up and take you to the interface. So you need to just come over here, click here. This is going to open up. So they're just going to ask you to register using these methods here. So you can use your email, Gmail, and you can use X and one other method here to sign up. Now I already have an account, so let me go ahead and log into my account. Alright, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. Now, just like I said earlier, these platforms are actually limited. They give you limited access to premium AI tools. You can see this AI platform here give you access to a lot of AI models, and you can see some of them are locked right here. You can see Clink 2.5 Turbo is locked, which means you need to have their premium subscription before you have access to it. Sora 2 is also locked. You need to subscribe, and you can see View 3 Fast is also locked. But over here you can see Grok Imaging is free. So you can see right here it is actually free. We are just going to go ahead and select on Grok. All you need to do is to come over here and type your prompts. Go ahead, upload an image which is your starting frame, and then tell the AI what the image should do. I would advise you to go to Gemini or make use of other AI tools to generate your images. So for me right now, I'm just going to go ahead and upload the image I generated from Gemini. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompts right here. So this is my prompts right here. All you need to do is to come over here and select the time. So if you're a subscribed member on this AI platform, you get 10 seconds and 15 seconds. But this time we are using it for free, so it only gives us 5 seconds. So we're just going to select on it. You can also come over here on the auto and select the aspect ratio. So this is square, 16:9, 9:16. So we are going to select 16:9, which is going to be a horizontal video. Then we are going to go ahead and click here to submit. You can see it's loading right here. So let's go ahead and wait for the results. Alright, so after the AI finish animating your image to video, all you need to do is to come over here and click on notifications, and this is going to open up, and boom guys, you can see here our image was animated to video. So let's just go ahead, click on it to view, and you can see how high quality this video actually came out. Now all you need to do to download is to go ahead and click on share here. You can copy the link, or you can go ahead and download it straight to your laptop or your mobile phone. Remember, you can make use of your mobile phone to actually do this. So you can see right here it's currently downloading. It has downloaded successfully. Alright guys, so the second AI platform we are going to get access to Grok completely free is called Arena.ai. Now Arena.ai also give you access to a lot of premium AI tools for absolutely free, but with limits. Here, scroll down here and click on leaderboard. Once you click on leaderboard, it's going to basically take you here. So it basically shows you all the AI models on the platform and how they are performing. Here you can see Claude Opus, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and you can see Grok right here. So Grok is at number 4, which means people actually choose and use Grok frequently on their platform, and you can actually use it for free on the platform as well. There are so many AI models you can actually use on the platform for free. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to come back to the home page and then go ahead and give the AI our prompt. But before then, we need to actually go ahead and upload the image we want to animate to video. Remember, you can actually generate your images inside Gemini completely free. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the image I generated inside Gemini to animate it. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my prompt right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click this arrow here to generate, it is going to turn the image I uploaded right here to a video. This platform actually generates 2 different videos. Then all you need to do is to go ahead and select the one you want. So let's go ahead and wait for the video generation to complete. Alright guys, so the video has been completed. So let's go ahead and play the videos. I'm going to go ahead, click on play right here.
Right now, AI is changing everything. If you're not using it, you're already behind. Let me show you how to stay ahead.
Now, if you notice at the end of the video, there is Arena.ai watermark, but that is not a problem. You can actually crop it in your video editing tool when you are editing your video. So let's go ahead and play the second one.
Right now, AI is changing everything. If you're not using it, you're already behind. Let me show you how to stay ahead.
Alright, so for me personally, I don't really like this one here. I prefer this one. This one actually looks directly at the camera and everything actually looks perfect to me. So the next thing you need to do right now is to just go ahead, click on OK, and then they are going to show you which AI model generated each of these videos. So you can see this one here is Pixel Parrot, and you can see this one is Pixverse 5. So basically on this platform, you do not select the exact AI model you want when generating videos. The platform decides which AI model fits the type of content you want to generate. Sometimes they could make use of Grok to generate your videos. You can also generate images using Arena.ai. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new chat and come over here where it says generate images. Just go ahead, click on it. So once I click on it, you can see that any prompts I give inside this box here is going to generate images for me. Now, when you are generating images, you can actually select the AI model you want to generate images with. So if I come over here and click on battle mode here, if you leave it at battle mode, when you give it a prompt, it's going to select 2 random AI models to generate the image for you. Then you choose the one you want. But if you want to use a specific AI model, just come down here and click on direct, and then you come over here, select the AI model you want. For example, let's say you want to use ChatGPT, select on it, and then you go ahead, whatever you describe inside this text box here is going to use ChatGPT to generate the image you want. If you want to use Grok, just go ahead and search Grok, and you go ahead and select the model of Grok you want to use. Come over here, enter your prompt. So thanks for watching. If you do appreciate this video, do well to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. Remember, you can also join our free community. The link is going to be in the video description down below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.